If dating apps make you overthink every single message, you don't have a confidence problem. You have a structure problem. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it in 3 steps. Every time you open the app, you're making dozens of micro decisions. What to say first, when to follow up, whether to ask to meet yet. Your brain isn't built to handle that volume of ambiguous choices without a framework. This isn't a personality flaw. It's cognitive overload. The overthinking loop starts the moment you match. You feel a small rush, then the anxiety kicks in. Is this too soon? Does this sound desperate? You spend 20 minutes writing a message you delete. The window closes, they move on, and you wonder what you did wrong. The real problem was never the message. It was the absence of a clear next step. Hinge and Tinder don't profit from you getting off the app. They profit from you staying on it. The endless swipe loop and vague prompts are designed for friction, not dates. It's a structural problem. If you're waiting for the app to guide you from hey to see you Thursday, you'll be waiting forever. Step 1. The specific opener. Stop trying to be clever. Specificity creates ability. BJ Fogg teaches us that behavior requires motivation and ability. We make it easy for them to reply. Step 2. The momentum bridge. The window to move forward closes after 48 hours without a clear next step. Friendliness without forward motion is just small talk. We build interest, not just comfort. Step 3. The smooth ask. The goal of message 1 is to get message 2. The goal of message 3 is the date. Use a 2-option ask. Saturday morning or weekday evening. This removes decision paralysis. Behavioral science from Iyengar and Lepper proves that too much choice kills conversion. We offer clarity. Attraction isn't built by impressing someone. It's built by making them feel seen and showing you have somewhere to be. This isn't manipulation. It's consideration. You're removing the mental load from the person you want to meet. If you're ready to stop the 2 a.m. panic spiral and get dates on the calendar, you need a system. I've built the ghost-proof dating accelerator to give you this 30-day roadmap. No chasing, just conversion. 3 confirmed dates in 30 days. That's the metric that matters. Saturday morning or weekday evening, the choice is yours. Get the ghost-proof profile checklist and start your 48-hour sequence today. Most people either send a generic opener or overthink a witty line that dies. Neither one creates momentum. What actually works is curiosity plus clarity. That's the formula. A message that references something specific in their profile and ends with a real question, one that's easy to answer and moves the conversation forward. Every conversation has a natural drop-off point around message 3 to 5. This is where most people either overtext or go silent. Both approaches kill the conversation. What you need instead is a micro-commitment, a small, low-stakes signal that keeps momentum alive. Think of it like a handoff. You pass the ball, they pass it back. This is the one that stops almost everyone. Too soon feels pushy. Too late feels like you missed the window, so you never ask. And the conversation fades. A well-timed, specific 2-option ask doesn't feel pushy. It feels like someone who knows what they want and makes it easy to say yes. Clarity is attractive. You don't need more time. You need a routine. The biggest lie in dating advice is that you need to be on all the time. Always available, always charming, always ready to respond instantly. That's exhausting and it doesn't work. What actually produces results is a focused 20-minute window each day where you do 3 specific things. Send 1 well-crafted opener, move 1 existing conversation 1 step forward, and make the ask on any conversation older than 48 hours. That's it, 20 minutes. Then you close the app, in and out, done. The structure removes the anxiety. When you have a clear sequence to follow, the decision fatigue disappears. The system compounds. By week 2, you have active conversations. By week 3, you have confirmed plans on the calendar. Most people never get there because they quit after a week of silence, before the system has had time to compound. Consistency beats intensity every single time in this game. Overthinking on dating apps isn't a character flaw. It's what happens when there's no structure. You were never the problem. You were just missing the system. If this resonated, I put together a complete breakdown of the exact system I just walked you through, including copy-paste messages and a 20-minute daily routine. The link is right below this video. Now here's the thing, even with the right system, a lot of people still stall at one specific moment, the 48 hours right after the match. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly what to send in those first 2 days to keep things moving. See you there.